Title: 15 Weirdest Creatures That Call the Coral Reef Home. Opening scene fades in from black, underwater view of a vibrant coral reef bustling with marine life. The camera slowly pans over colorful corals, fish, and invertebrates. Calm, soothing music plays in the background. Narrator VO. Beneath the surface of the world's oceans lies one of nature's most astonishing wonders: coral reefs. These ecosystems are teeming with life, supporting nearly 25% of all marine species. But among the familiar fish and corals, there are some truly bizarre and otherworldly creatures. Today, we'll dive deep and meet 15 of the weirdest creatures that call the coral reef home. 1. The peacock mantis shrimp. Cut to a close-up of a strikingly colorful mantis shrimp lurking near a rock, its eyes moving independently in a mesmerizing way. Narrator VO. First up is the peacock mantis shrimp, a vibrant predator with a punch so fast it can break glass. Not only does it have the most complex eyesight in the animal kingdom, but it can also see 12 colors of light 4 times more than humans. 2. The Christmas tree worm. Camera zooms in on tiny, bright spirals extending from coral surfaces, gently waving in the current. Narrator VO. Resembling tiny, underwater Christmas trees, the Christmas tree worm looks festive, but it's really just a filter feeder, relying on its feathery arms to capture plankton from the water. 3. The sea cucumber. Pinned to a long, slug-like sea cucumber inching its way across the seabed. Narrator VO. The sea cucumber may look unremarkable, but don't let its appearance fool you. When threatened, it can eject its internal organs as a defense mechanism. And don't worry, it grows them back. 4. The leafy sea dragon. Wide shot of a leafy sea dragon drifting amongst kelp, perfectly camouflaged. Narrator VO. The leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise. Covered in leaf-like appendages, this bizarre creature blends seamlessly into the seaweed, making it nearly invisible to predators. 5. The frogfish. It to a close-up of a frogfish, its body mimicking a lump of coral. Narrator VO. With its lumpy, camouflaged appearance, the frogfish is one of the ocean's sneakiest predators. Using a modified fin as a lure, it tricks smaller fish into coming close before snapping them up in the blink of an eye. 6. The harlequin tuskfish. The camera zooms in on a bright-colored fish with vivid blue teeth, swimming confidently around the reef. Narrator VO. The harlequin tuskfish stands out with its striking colors and sharp, blue teeth. Don't let its beauty fool you. This carnivorous fish is known for cracking open the hard shells of its prey. 7. The flamingo tongue snail. Cut to a brightly patterned snail, its shell covered in intricate designs, slowly crawling over coral. Narrator VO. The flamingo tongue snail is a colorful spectacle, but its striking appearance isn't actually its shell. What you see is its soft tissue, which it uses to cover and protect its otherwise plain shell. 8. The box jellyfish. Wide shot of a nearly invisible, cube-shaped jellyfish floating through open water. Narrator VO. One of the most dangerous animals in the world, the box jellyfish drifts silently through coral reefs. Its sting is incredibly venomous, capable of causing extreme pain or worse within minutes. 9. The blue dragon Glaucus atlanticus. Close-up of a tiny, bright blue nudibranch floating just below the surface of the water. Narrator VO. Looking more like a creature from a sci-fi movie, the blue dragon is a type of sea slug that preys on the venomous Portuguese man-o-war. It not only survives the sting but also stores the venom for its own defense. 10. The spiny lobster. Pan to a brightly colored spiny lobster, its antennae twitching as it explores the reef. Narrator VO. The spiny lobster is a nocturnal scavenger with a peculiar feature. Unlike most lobsters, it lacks large claws. Instead, it relies on its sharp spines for protection. 11. The pinecone fish. Zoom in on a small armor-plated fish with glowing organs under its eyes. Narrator VO. Named for its tough, scale-covered body, the pinecone fish is as odd as it sounds. It even has bioluminescent bacteria living in organs beneath its eyes, which help it navigate the dark, coral caverns at night. 12. The red-lipped batfish. Cut to a bizarre, bottom-dwelling fish with bright red lips, slowly walking across the ocean floor. Narrator VO. The red-lipped batfish looks more like a character from a cartoon than a real fish. Its unusual feature? It walks on its pectoral fins along the seabed, rather than swimming. 13. The lined butterfly show a pair of butterfly fish swimming elegantly near corals, their bodies striped in intricate patterns. Narrator VO. The lined butterfly fish stands out for its bold, maze-like patterns. But this beauty has brains too. It's known to form lifelong pairs and is highly territorial when defending its coral home. 14. The giant clam camera focuses on a giant clam, its colorful, iridescent mantle peeking out from a massive shell. Narrator VO. The giant clam can weigh up to 500 pounds and live for over a century. It relies on a symbiotic relationship with algae living in its tissues to gain nutrients from sunlight, making it a gentle giant of the reef. 15. The feather star. Cut to a scene of a feather star gracefully floating through the water, its feathery arms slowly waving in the current. Narrator VO. The feather star is an ancient, star-shaped creature that glides through the water using its feathery arms. With a design straight out of the deep past, it filters food from the water as it dances along the coral reefs. Closing scene. Camera pulls back to a wide shot of the entire reef, full of diverse and colorful life. Narrator VO. The coral reef is not just home to the beautiful and the familiar. It's a world of weird, wonderful, and downright strange creatures, each one perfectly adapted to its environment. These 15 strange creatures are just a glimpse into the marvels that lie beneath the surface of the ocean. Scene fades to black, closing title appears. Discover the wonders of the coral reef. Narrator VO. Thank you for diving into the deep with us today. Until next time, keep exploring. End credits roll over an ambient underwater scene. End.